If you clicked on this video and wondering which app is the best for you, here is the summary of the comparison. If you're a budget beginner and wanted to start using a budgeting app, you can sign up for EveryDollar's free version. If you have used other apps before and wanted to try a budgeting app that allows you to budget with your partner or family, choose YNAB. I'm sorry, but GoodBudget has been left in the dust by these two apps. Before you go, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Please continue watching this video for the details on the comparison. I created this table for easier comparison between YNAB, GoodBudget, and EveryDollar. If you want to learn more about these three apps, there are a number of videos I've made for YNAB and an initial impression video for GoodBudget and EveryDollar listed in the description below. Let's start with GoodBudget. As I mentioned on my initial impressions video, GoodBudget is in need of a refresh. The app looks dated and there's no dark mode as well. For the features and functionalities, it's enough to manage your budget and set up your plans and goals. The account sign-up is easy and there's no email verification. Ease of setup is on medium because there's no automatic setup of budget and accounts when you first create your budget. You have to set up everything manually. On the free version, the number of budget categories are limited to 10, plus another 10 for the other set of budget categories, for a total of 20 budget categories and goals. Only one bank account can be added. This feels really limited if you want to start managing our finances. Another contender for zero-based budgeting, EveryDollar is a beginner-friendly app with web and mobile version. The app has a modern UI and it is responsive. On the free version, you can use the budgeting feature with no limitations except moving between budget categories. I guess this feature is used often, that's why it's locked behind the premium version. Another important but premium feature for budgeting is the goals. If you're just starting the budgeting journey, I guess we can do away without goals features first. When you sign up for the first time and set up the budget, there is a questionnaire guide that will help with creating your first budget. This is really helpful for beginners. If you are a subscriber of this channel, then you know that I use YNAB. You may say that I'm a bit biased to YNAB, but I compare these three apps objectively-ish. With modern design and a responsive user experience, YNAB might be the best of the three, and I feel this is the most important: dark mode. But with premium feel and usability comes with the premium price. YNAB is the most expensive subscription between the three apps. The differentiating factor is that you can share your subscription to other 5 members of your household. So if you subscribe to YNAB and you share that to your partner, it comes down cheaper compared to 2 premium subscriptions of EveryDollar or even the Plus version of GoodBudget. GoodBudget and EveryDollar has free versions while YNAB does not. A 14-day trial is available for EveryDollar and a 34-day trial for YNAB. GoodBudget has no trial version. For all three apps, BankLink is only available in the premium version. They also have web and mobile app versions. As I said at the beginning of the video, if you're a brand new budgeter, you can try EveryDollar's free version as a budget feature is available and wallet friendly. Similarly, if you're budgeting for a while and you want more than one subscription, let's say for your partner, then YNAB is a really good option. Just take note that there's a recent announcement from YNAB that they are increasing the price again by August 2024 to $109 for the annual subscription. With the upcoming price increase, it's nice to check out other alternatives and whether it is worth to change to a free or cheaper alternative with the same functionality. If you reach the end of this video, let me know what you think of this comparison and if there is other topics that you're interested to see. Thanks and watch this next.